Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can encourage your pets to eat from the pet feeder in Heartopia. So my pet feeder is here, and as you can see, they have eaten from it. I'm just gonna fill it up some more. But hold on, okay, my cats don't eat as much as my dogs, but if you go to the pet section here, it says, okay, Bao didn't eat, but the rest did. It says, Cinnabon is hungry, but its owner is away. It has no choice but to find a machine for a meal. Usually when you are out of the house, it will go and eat from the machine. So just don't feed them, honestly. This game won't let them just die, of course. It's like a chill game. But you don't have to feed them constantly. So if you're out of the house, they will find the pet feeder themselves and they'll eat from it. They won't eat a lot from it, by the way. As you can see, some of my pets are still hungry. Tater isn't that hungry because he did use the pet feeder. I also found that if their levels are a little bit higher, they do tend to easily eat from the machine. As you can see, he ate like so much from the machine because he has the like highest level, as well as like burnt toast here. But Rocket only did it once. His level is still like level 1, so I do have to level up my levels with my pets to get them to basically eat from the machine, I guess. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.